Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can report a TikTok account. So if you found someone videos on TikTok is inappropriate, or you just don't like the video and you want to report that account, here's how you can do it. First, you can go to their account. For example, this one's right here. I'm going to go to this account. So this is just an example, and after this, here you can see there will be this share button at the top. So when you click on that arrow, there will be this report option. So just click on that, and in here you just need to select a reason why you are reporting the account. So you need to choose you can choose between reporting the account or report a certain content. For example, I'm going to just choose report account, and here there are a few reasons that you can choose. For example, that account posting inappropriate content, or pretending to be someone, inappropriate profile info, or the user could be under 14 years old, and others. So let's say frauds and scam. Now you can just click on submit. So after that, the account will be reported and you cannot see their profile again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.